doing the dishes, washing the clothes, and then there's this, the oven. Good thing that these are self-cleaning now, and working on these babies is a thing of the past. But you know what else is a self-cleaning oven? Your vagina. That's right, you heard me. Your vagina is a self-cleaning oven. It does all the work for you so that you don't have to. Not quite sure what I'm talking about? All right, well, follow me. I'm going to explain further. I didn't want to do this anyway.
Let's get rid of these things. We don't need these things anymore. All right. So what are you actually talking about, Kelly? Well, the vaginal canal has its own scrubbing bubbles, believe it or not. You have this good bacteria that actually live in the vagina, and they make byproducts, or yes, waste, that actually help to keep the bad bacteria and yeast at bay. Now, the waste made by the good bacteria in this area help to actually keep the vagina balanced, and if we do not have enough of this good bacteria, there are a few ways that you can actually get your number up. You can take over-the-counter supplements like acidophilus. Say what, Kelly? Acidophilus. This is actually a supplement that you can find in any drugstore or maybe a health food store, and they can actually replenish that good bacteria that actually helps to keep the pH in the vaginal area balanced, making you feel great all of the time. But the easiest way that you can actually do this is a yogurt a day helps to keep the yeast away. Now, when you have enough scrubbing bubbles doing all the work for you in that downtown area, then you keep balanced and you can rest easy and keep the nether regions healthy and balanced. Make sure and avoid washing this particular area with any soaps or any other detergents, because you actually, in essence, are getting rid of all of the good bacteria that actually can help you to stay ship-shape. Also, please make sure to avoid douching. This is an atom bomb for the vagina. It gets rid of the good, the bad, and the ugly. And actually what winds up happening is the first to grow back is either the bad or the ugly. You know, you balance your life, your career, maybe even your marriage, and so thankfully you do not have to balance the vaginal environment as well, right? More information on healthy vaginal discharge or flora, visit healthcareinanutshell.com or check out the links below on vaginal discharge, yeast infections, or bacterial vaginosis. And please make sure that you are following the nut.